What I'm trying to do today is upgrade the RAM on this laptop. I've taken off the battery from a Dell E7440 and I've loosened the screws from the backing in these two places here. I'm just going to remove the backing cover on this laptop. If I can get the back cover open. Okay, so I want to upgrade the RAM. It's got a 4 gig RAM currently and I want to upgrade it with this 8 gig of RAM, and upgrading the RAM is very easy. So I ordered this RAM online and you can see there's an extra slot here. This is the DDR3 RAM, and what you want to do is there's these two clips on either side and all the pins. You want to slide the RAM in and then just push it down firmly until it clips in place. You can hear the clicks on either side. Didn't take very well, so let's just do it again. That needs to be pushed in carefully with all the pins in place, and you want to clip it in. Did you hear how nicely it clips in? Let's just do that again quickly. As we're taking this RAM and we're going to slot it into this slot. It's got an extra port for RAM. You want to make sure all the pins are sealed or covered, and then you just want to click the RAM, just push it down firmly, and you want to click the RAM in place. That's your upgrade of, I've now put in an 8 gig card in here, and it's upgrade from 4 to 12 using an 8 gig card. Okay, so I've upgraded with 8 gigs of RAM from the 4 gigs, so it's in total 12 gigs of RAM that I've upgraded this laptop. And I quickly put the covers back on. It's very easy to do. The screws are quite tiny for my nails. It's quite easy to do it yourself instead of paying a lot to get somebody to fix it for you or to upgrade your stuff. So what I'm currently doing is a series of videos where if I have a problem, I prefer not to have a problem with my laptop, but if there is a problem, I try to get it fixed myself, and in the process just upskilling and learning how to get more tech savvy and learn how to fix these myself. So far it's been a little bit easy. It's not been really difficult stuff that I've been trying to do. Can't put the battery in. Okay, so here's the battery going back in. Let's test. Usually it comes up with a message to say that you've upgraded the RAM. Another way to check the upgrade is to click on the Windows icon, go to the settings button. Once you're in settings, you want to go to systems, click on systems, scroll all the way to the bottom to about, and it will give you device specifications, and you can see the installed RAM is 12 gigs. So I'm happy now. I know I've got 12 gigs of RAM. My computer is going to be a lot faster. Oh, okay. So it's just taken the RAM. Okay, but that's how you upgrade. Usually it comes up with this message to ask you whether you want to accept the upgrade, and you click yes. Okay, cool.